Did you know your iPhone has the ability to hide photos so that even if you open up the Photos app, you won't see those photos or videos? Or if you didn't know it, you might not have checked it recently and there could be photos or videos in there that you didn't know were in there. I'm going to show you how to use it and how to unhide or hide photos if you wanted to. So first, just open up the Photos app on your iPhone. And let's navigate to a photo. Tap on this photo, for instance. Tap on the three dots at the top right. And then tap on Hide right under Duplicate. And tap on Hide. Just like that, this photo will no longer show up in your normal Photos library. To be able to find where it is, we need to go into your settings first. So tap on the Settings app. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Apps at the bottom, and then scroll down until you find the Photos app on this list. Tap on Photos. Scroll down again, and there are two things we're going to look for. One is Use Face ID. You can essentially turn on Face ID to be required to be able to open up that hidden photos folder. So I would recommend turning this on, but also Show Hidden Album. If this is toggled off, even if you hide photos, it won't show up in the Photos app. So if you wanted to check those hidden albums and the hidden folders, turn this feature on. Next, let's go back into the Photos app. Tap on Collections at the bottom center. Scroll down until you find Utilities on this list and tap the drop-down arrow to open it up. There you'll be able to see is Hidden. Tap on Hidden and you can tap on View Album. This will use your Face ID. Let me use mine real quick. And it will show those photos that you've previously hidden. To unhide them, you can just tap on the photo, tap on the three dots at the top right, and then tap on Unhide. This will remove it from this hidden album and it will just bring it back to your normal photos so that anybody can see it and it's not locked away in that folder. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right, and thanks for watching.